Hey viewers, welcome to Tools Advisor. In this video we're going to check out 5 best air compressors for shop you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools' performance, features, manufacturer's reputation, value for money and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best shop air compressor. For more information and updated price, please do check the product link in the description box below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome guide like this. So, without any delay let's get started. Our number 1 pick is California Air Tools Compressor. If you're looking for a convenient and movable air compressor, the California Air Tools 10020C air compressor is an excellent choice. Similar to the Quincy QT54-5HP reciprocating air compressor, it's a powerful machine that's exceptionally quiet. This is one of the best air compressors for a home shop, not only because it's so quiet, but it also gives enough constant air pressure for 2 people using tools in spite of its small size. It's also handy to wheel it around easily to different spots, unlike the bigger 30 or 60-gallon compressors. Let's watch more.
Hi, my name's Larry and I'm part of the product development team here at California Air Tools. And today I'm going to introduce you to one of our new products. In front of me today is the California Air Tools 10020C. This is a powerful 2 horsepower, ultra quiet and oil-free 10-gallon vertical air compressor. This air compressor is replacing our very popular 10020. Let me show you some of the new features and benefits we have with this air compressor. Number 1, we have a new motor. This is the new SP9421 dual piston oil-free 2 horsepower air compressor pump and motor. This pump and motor only operates at 1700 RPM, which allows the motor to spin slowly and produce less noise. This air compressor pump and motor produces 5.3 CFM at 90 PSI, which is very high air delivery for this type of air compressor pump and motor. As we move to the front, we have 2 gauges. One is the tank gauge, that measures the pressure in the tank, and the other one's a regulated gauge, and that measures the air out to your hose and tool. Down below we have 2 universal industrial 1/4 inch quick connects. This is where you'll attach your air hoses. Next to that is your regulator that you'll regulate the pressure out to your hose. And then you'll have your safety valve. This is a safety valve that if the tank overpressurizes, this will release. Down below we have our new Condor industrial pressure switch. This pressure switch is an industrial pressure switch, and we've added this so that we have more reliability. Down below we have a new 10-gallon steel tank. It's a little bit taller and more vertical, so it takes less space up and it's a little bit taller. And then at the bottom you'll see 2 wheels, and we made improvements to the way the wheels are designed for easy movement. As you can see, you can easily move the air compressor, or push or pull the air compressor, and we have a nice handle grip on here that makes it easy to maneuver. Let me show you a demonstration so you'll get a feel for the sound. This air compressor produces 70 decibels of sound, and that's a little bit louder than a normal conversation. This is down below me, the little pancake air compressor is a standard air compressor. This produces about 90 decibels of sound.
Our second best shop air compressors is Quincy QT54. This is one of their best and a popular choice because it's not too expensive and performs exceptionally well across all industries. It's one of the quietest compressors you can buy, especially for its size. It's typically bought for small to medium-sized shops and will deliver enough air for multiple tools running at the same time. The Balder motor is one of its key components and what makes the compressor so quiet. Plus, it's guaranteed to last many years due to its high-quality build. If you're looking for an industrial air compressor that won't let you down, the Quincy QT54-5HP reciprocating air compressor is easily our top recommendation. Number 3 in our list is BOSTITCH BTFP02012. This small air compressor is very impressive. It's been made exceptionally well and yet costs very little for what you get. The feet sit on hard-wearing anti-vibration pads, which help reduce noise. The BTFP02012 is not as quiet as other air compressors, but it's nothing too noticeable. The tank is too small to use any more than one tool at a time, but it's designed for portable one-man work, which it's easily sufficient for. There is also plenty of low-priced combo kits you can purchase with it. These reasonably priced kits include hoses, fittings, and guns. Our fourth pick is Dewalt DXCMLA 1,983,054. The price is quite affordable too, although it's not the least expensive 30-gallon air compressor on the market. It has served people well, but it's also known for having a few issues which their customer service team fails to fix. Customer service is critical for machines like air compressors, which makes this a large downside. Also, this isn't the quietest air compressor available, either. It's not excessively noisy, but one of the least quiet in our list, so it doesn't really suit home shops. Last in our list is Campbell hausfeld DC080500. It's one of the quietest air compressors available, so for domestic shops, it's an ideal choice. It's easy to assemble with only basic mechanical knowledge, but unfortunately, it doesn't come with an instruction manual to help you. Some people who are more mechanically challenged have had difficulties with it because there isn't any manual to follow, even though it's a straightforward process. This isn't an industrial air compressor, so even though it's a heavy-duty machine, it shouldn't be treated like it's a Quincy machine.